Welcome to our comparison of two popular nugget ice makers, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker and the free VILLAGE Nugget Ice Maker. Both machines promise to deliver soft, chewable ice for your favorite beverages. But how do they stack up against each other? In this video, we'll dive into their key features, performance, and overall value to help you make an informed decision. When it comes to daily ice production, the free VILLAGE Nugget Ice Maker edges out the Silonn model with a capacity of 34 pounds per day compared to Silonn's 33 pounds. This slight difference may be significant for those who frequently entertain or require large quantities of ice. In terms of design, the Silonn Nugget Ice Maker features a sleek black plastic exterior, while the free VILLAGE model boasts a stylish stainless steel finish. The free VILLAGE is slightly smaller in dimensions, making it more portable, but it is also heavier. Both models are designed to fit comfortably on your countertop. Price is always a consideration when making a purchase. The Silonn Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $249, while the free VILLAGE is more budget-friendly at $209. If you're looking for a more economical option without sacrificing quality, the free VILLAGE might be the better choice. In conclusion, both the Silonn and free VILLAGE Nugget Ice Makers offer impressive features for ice enthusiasts. The choice ultimately depends on your specific needs, whether it's higher ice production, design preference, or budget. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.